all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with KooCam. KooCam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. KooCam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing KooCam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. KooCam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, KooCam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second for amazing effects. Shoot freely with KooCam. No matter how you position the camera, KooCam will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees of 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. KooCam uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking. Explore the possibilities with KooCam, the next generation of imaging.
This is Fusion. It's arguably the most versatile creative tool ever made. Fusion has 2 lenses, one on the front, one on the back.
It's like having multiple cameras shooting in all different directions. You're able to get beautiful 5.2K footage out of this compact device that can fit in your pocket. As GoPro's new VR camera, Fusion is going to let people capture angles that haven't been possible before.
It's waterproof, it's mountable, it's got voice control, it works with the GoPro app. It's a GoPro.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image. We designed the camera with offset lenses for optimal stitching. With the stitch lines taken care of, you're free to enjoy your experience.
The stabilization feature on Fusion is amazing. It's got gimbal-like stabilization, but it's built into the camera.
Your footage is stabilized automatically, so you can relive the experience just as you remember it.
Fusion is not just a VR camera. One of the most exciting aspects of Fusion is what we call overcapture.
Overcapture is when you take spherical content and frame it to traditional video.
You can turn the camera around in ways that was never possible before with traditional GoPros. You're capturing everything at once and then just pick and choose the different angles you want after the fact.
With one camera, you can capture everything, and the GoPro app makes it easier than ever to choose your shots and direct your story later. With Fusion, you can achieve stunning visual effects like angel view, little planet, pano flow, and time shift. Fusion is the next kind of evolution of storytelling at GoPro. Immersive VR, super stabilized footage, stunning visual effects, and a new way of creating called overcapture.
Fusion's the first of its kind. This is ultimately where cameras are headed. You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.
The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the One X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The One X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The 1X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.